It's getting serious on this track, fam.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So today I wanted to do a really quick Mcgrath foundation review. I didn't buy the actual bottle. I did get samples only because I wasn't sure of my particular color, and then also, if you didn't know, the foundation retails for $68. I wanted to make sure I'm loving the foundation before I buy it. Could have brought the foundation, but then I just didn't feel like going all the way back downtown to Atlanta to return if it didn't match or whatever the case is. So I did get the 25 medium deep and also medium deep 23. Watched a few reviews and I did notice that the 25 deep looked a little dark, people's skin tone. So I did get 23, so I'm gonna swatch both of them on my face just to see which one looks better. I already do my eyebrows, my lashes, and my eye look just for the just to save time for the video. And before we get started, I did get a sample of the new Fenty Beauty filter primer. After I do the tutorial and complete my makeup look, I'll go into more regarding the primer and also the foundation. And you know, when I apply my foundation, I normally use a beauty blender, but I decided to just go ahead and use a stippling brush. Won't waste product because I know sometimes with my beauty blender, it can kind of soak up the foundation. And since I don't have the actual foundation with me, I didn't want to waste any. Apply my concealer. I normally do when I, before I apply my foundation. And on this side, because I have my mirror, so I was saying, if I do decide to purchase the foundation, I think I may purchase it on her actual website, because you can get the foundation, the primer, you can get the foundation, the primer, and the setting powder for $150. So I think I may go on to her website and, like I said, purchase the actual foundation package. On Sephora website, they don't have that same special. And swatch the 23 first. So that right there is 23, is 25. See how the colors look? I think I may go ahead with I may start off with the 23, because as you can see, the 25 look orange to me. So, and plus it looks a little dark. If the 23 don't work for whatever reason, I may try one more color, and if that color don't work, then I'm gonna go ahead and let it go, because her foundation is really expensive. And I did hear some people reviews that they had to buy two to mix the two, and I'm not about to buy two $68 foundations just to get a perfect match. No ma'am, Pam, not at all. So if this 23 doesn't work, then like I said, I'm going to try one more color. And after that, I'm going to just go ahead and give up, because like I said, I do have foundations that I love, so it's not a big deal. I just wanted to try it because, everybody was talking about it. Give me a lot. I don't know, sometimes they be acting funky about giving up samples. I'm like, ain't that's what that's what they are there for? We are going to go in, and like I said, I will give you more information regarding the foundation once I am done. That I ended up using my Real Techniques stippling brush. And a girl like a medium type of coverage. I don't really look for full coverage too much. I said medium to light. You can build it up if need be. Hear that if you have oily skin, you may want to use a good primer. So that's why I use that new Fenty primer. It has a light little smell, but not nothing like overpowering or anything like that. To be like, okay. And I did try that Huda Beauty setting spray, I didn't like it. That smell was so strong. And I'm not really sensitive to smells, but when I sprayed that and had smelled that perfume smell, I was like, oh no. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with my Morphe and my other setting sprays. Far so good, you guys. I think the 23 may be a go. But of course, y'all let me know what y'all think. Last, I'm gonna go here and try to scoop it out with this with these Q-tips. 23 might be a go, because I saw somebody that used, because if you didn't know, in MAC I'm NC 45, and I saw somebody use the Deep 25, and I didn't like the color on that particular person, so I was glad. I actually picked these colors out myself because on my profile with Sephora it actually said 25 in there, and I saw the whole display at the Sephora. I was like, something just told me grab another color, and I'm glad I did, because 25 was way too orange for me. Or if it would have oxidized or ended up blending in, or however that go, but 25 was too dark for me. Ooh, y'all, so far so good. Okay, Pat McGrath, you better come through, honey. $68 foundation. Y'all know I have the Town 4, but you know I ain't pay $88 at the cosmetic company store at the outlet. I applied the foundation on my face, so far so good. And I'm gonna wear it all day, and I'll probably come back on at the end of the day and let y'all know how it wore or how it looked on my face. So I went to TJ Maxx the other day and I purchased the Too Faced Born This Way Radiant Concealer, and I got the Deep Tan. You guys, I was so excited to get this because, again, it's still, I think they still have this at Sephora. It's only $8.99. Like I said, I stopped purchasing a lot of makeup that come out like collections and stuff, because if you wait, stuff go on sale, and who wants to pay for a price? And then, like I said, when I ended up finding that cosmetic company store, I was like, okay, it's no need for me to really shop like that. Don't get me wrong, I do still shop at Sephora, but I don't shop there as much as I used to, because that was my only spot I would go and get makeup. So with TJ Maxx now, the company, the cosmetic company store, is really no need for me to jump and get everything that comes out. Like I said, I got that, and this here is in the color Deep Tan, and highlight some of the areas. Like I said, I don't normally like a bright highlight. I'm gonna just go in with my beauty blender. Y'all, I can't believe that my daughter will be going to school this week, y'all. So fast, like so fast. Share this beauty, y'all. I got this at TJ Maxx as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it, because after this video I'm gonna go ahead and wash my brushes. I don't know if I like it as a bronze brush, but we'll see. It's pretty though. I use that, but I don't know how I feel about this being a bronze brush, because I like a little more stiffness. Blush, and y'all know I use the same stuff over and over. Love something, why change it? Usually it's wet, but like wetting it or anything like that. Get this video up, I can let y'all know how the Pat McGrath wore. Go ahead and finish adding my little extras, and I'll be right back to add my little bang, because I finished the front of my makeup. I just did a really quick protective style with a bun on the top and a clip-in bang. If y'all don't already know, it's hot here in Georgia. My highlight, I usually add highlight on the brow bone, but since I have this clip-on bang, you can't even see it. So I added some makeup to my bottom lashes, and so far so good, y'all. Let me know what y'all think of the Pat McGrath foundation. Like I said, this here is the number 23 medium deep. It has like different sections on her website. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use my new lip pencil by Laura Mercier. I got this from, of course, TJ Maxx, and this here was $5.99 in the color Deep Wine. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. I do have some, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I mentioned I don't have no high-end liner, so it's my first and use because I didn't know how dark this was. Use this Marc Jacob. And see, when I normally put regular liners on, it don't show up like this, so wasn't expecting it to be this dark. So I'm gonna just rub some of it in. Like I said, it's a little dark, but so I'm gonna go on the website to read you the claims of the foundation. So here you get like a whole list of women and you pick your color, and I ended up in the medium/deep category. The description of the foundation, it says it's a instantly iconic foundation built weightless from a sheer veil to a flawless medium coverage in 36 universal colors and 5 shade levels, custom created for all skin types, tones, and undertones. It carries 36 different shades and colors. Perfection System delivers a couture finish that brings the runway to real life in a few powerful drops. Satin finish lasts all day, so it's more like a satin finish. I would have liked to again purchase the whole Pat McGrath line just to see how everything works, because I'm sure it's going to be beautiful, especially the setting powder. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this tutorial. Is the look one more time, and let me see, it is 11:43 here on my iPhone. Hopefully y'all can see it. Go ahead and wear this for the day, and I will come back on later on today just to show y'all my face. So here is my face. So I will see you guys later. Hey everyone, welcome back to my check-in portion of this video. So at the beginning of the video, I showed my iPhone when I finished my makeup, and it was around 11:43, 11:45. Right now it's 6:10. This makeup on for over 6 hours. Go to the mall, and then I did just come back from open house with my daughter, get a chance to go out in the heat. The reason why I wanted to go ahead and do this first impression, because I knew I was going to be outside and I knew I was going to be in the heat, y'all. And when I went to my daughter's open house, I did walk because it was really close, so I went ahead and walked over to her school. Plus I wanted to get the points with my Apple Watch so I could sync onto my Weight Watchers app. But anywho, I know y'all not here for all of that. Y'all here for my final thoughts on the foundation and how it looks. Back in the tutorial, I noticed that I didn't use a setting spray, and I normally use the Too Faced mattifying setting spray, and I didn't use that in the tutorial. So this hair look is only using the Fenty mattifying primer and her setting powder, and I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think her mattifying primer really kept me from looking like a real shiny and greasy looking. Like, I know I'm about to take it off, but it looks like I could probably wear this for a few more hours, you know, like taking my beauty blender and blotting a little bit. Like, it really looked like I can go maybe a few more hours with this foundation. And again, this is the Pat McGrath, the deep/medium in number 23. Are so good because looking at myself in the mirror, it really looks like I don't have on makeup. I mean, I could be wrong, but it really looks like I don't have on makeup. It looks like my skin. And this is a satin finish. I don't think I ever owned any satin finish type of foundations, because with me suffering with combination skin, I kind of geared to matte type of finishes, because I just, you know, want to keep myself looking matte so I won't look so oily or anything like that. Like, I don't like dewy foundations, because anything dewy, I'm like, okay, that means I'm going to be, you know, a greasy mess or oily mess or whatever. So it's satin. I said, okay, I'm gonna still give it a try. So I think that Fenty Pro Filter primer that just came out. I think that's what helped kept me under control. I'm not 100% sure, but I really think that was it, because like I said, I didn't use no setting sprays or anything like that. Only thing I did was use the setting powder to set my face. That was it, you guys. So, and what else? Moving around, walking around, doing stuff. Like, I wasn't just sitting around, so I have been moving around. So far so good. I mean, I didn't even put on highlighter. I forgot to put on highlighter. Like, I don't even have any highlighter on. Besides the bangs getting into my eyes, this foundation, it feels like I don't have anything on. Not that my other foundations feel like I have anything on, but it really doesn't feel like I have anything on my face. Like, I just can't believe it. So far so good with Pat McGrath. Like, I want to give her 2 thumbs up, because I'm really liking it so far. Because like I said, I'm looking at myself in the mirror and it really looks good. I was able to get at least 2 wears out of this sample size, because normally when I get a sample size, I can usually get 2 wears, but she was real stingy, so I was only able to get 1, but that's fine. I wanted to try maybe one more time, but like I said, I may go ahead and purchase the full size bottle. Not 100% sure. Like I said, I did hear somebody say at the end of the year she normally has her sale where it's either, I think she said it's either 20% off or 25% off. So if that's the case, I'll rather wait, you know, for that sale, because if I can get 20% off of her, you know, if I can get 20% off of her foundation sets, I'd rather do that and wait, because I really don't need the foundation. Like, it's not like, oh my god, I need foundation, I don't have any. So I can wait if her sale is, you know, if she's going to have a sale at the end of the year, like I heard somebody say, because like I said, I didn't even know that myself. And if that's true, then I can probably go ahead and purchase that $250 set, because if I'm saving 20 to 25% off, it'll bring the price down a lot cheaper. Whereas though, you know, instead of paying the $150, paid a little more, you can get more of a, you know, set with your bundle. You know, you can get more with the bundle versus the $150 one. Because with the $50 one with the 25 or 20% off, it'll probably bring it almost no more than 100. With the $250, I'm sure it should bring at least down to almost 200, if you get what I'm saying. Go ahead and stop rambling. I'm gonna go ahead in this video, y'all, because I'm gonna go ahead and take these lashes off, this makeup, this bang, the hair, the everything. Go ahead and wrap myself up. This week is back to school time, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my mommy time. That being said, you guys, if y'all like these types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps out my channel. Also, before you go, please don't forget to smash on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.